Welcome to a wild ride through the fascinating world of animal behavior. From peculiar rituals to downright bizarre habits, today we're delving into the mysterious realm of 20 strange animal behaviors that will leave you scratching your head in wonder. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind these distinctive actions, offering insights into the quirky, the unexpected, and the downright extraordinary antics of our fellow inhabitants on this planet. Get ready to be amazed. Self-decapitation in certain worm species. In the realm of bizarre animal behaviors, self-decapitation among certain worm species stands out as particularly astonishing. Certain species of marine worms, such as the Phyllodes lineata, exhibit a bizarre behavior known as autotomy, where they can voluntarily detach their own heads and regenerate new bodies, allowing them to escape from predators or damaged environments. While self-decapitation may appear gruesome, it showcases the remarkable adaptability and resilience of certain organisms in the face of adversity. Cannibalistic matricide in hamsters. While hamsters are often cherished as adorable and docile pets, certain circumstances can trigger startling behaviors within these small rodents. In times of stress or overcrowding, female hamsters may exhibit a behavior known as cannibalistic matricide, where they eat their own offspring shortly after giving birth. This behavior, although shocking, can be seen as an instinctual survival tactic, as it reduces competition for resources and increases the chances of the offspring's own survival. While this behavior is relatively rare in captive hamsters, it highlights the complexities of animal behavior and the importance of providing suitable environments and conditions to ensure the well-being of these beloved pets. Stink fighting in muskoxen. Amidst the icy landscapes of the Arctic, a peculiar phenomenon unfolds among the mighty muskoxen. Stink fighting, these formidable creatures equipped with dense fur and impressive horns. During the mating season, male muskoxen engage in aggressive displays known as stink fights, where they lock horns, urinate on their own faces, and fiercely rub their scent glands against each other, releasing clouds of foul-smelling musk into the air, creating a pungent odor that they use to intimidate rivals and establish dominance. The intensity of the stench serves as a testament to their strength and determination. Bolas spider's unique hunting technique. In the realm of arachnids, the bolas spider stands out with its ingenious and unconventional hunting strategy. Rather than spinning a traditional web to ensnare its prey, the bolas spider employs a cunning tactic reminiscent of a skilled hunter casting a line. This remarkable spider, scientifically known as Mastophorus species, crafts a single silk strand tipped with a sticky droplet at one end, mimicking the behavior of a cowboy with a lasso. Perched on a leaf or twig at night, the bolas spider swings its silken lasso with precision, mimicking the mating pheromones of female moths. As unsuspecting male moths fly by, drawn to the alluring scent, they become entangled in the spider's sticky trap. With lightning-fast reflexes, the bolas spider reels in its catch, securing a meal with remarkable efficiency. Humpback whales bubble net feeding. Humpback whales are renowned for their majestic presence and impressive feeding behaviors, none more captivating than their intricate technique known as bubble net feeding. This remarkable spectacle involves a coordinated effort among a group of humpback whales to corral and capture their prey using a net of bubbles. To initiate the process, a lead whale dives beneath a school of small fish or krill and exhales forcefully, releasing a stream of bubbles in a circular pattern. These bubbles rise to the surface, creating a vertical cylinder or net that encircles the prey. As the net tightens, the bewildered fish become trapped within its confines, making escape nearly impossible. With the prey effectively contained, the humpback whales lunge upwards through the center of the bubble net with mouths agape, engulfing vast quantities of water and prey in a single gulp. Hagfish's slime defense. Hagfish, often referred to as the slime eels, are primitive, jawless marine creatures, possess a remarkable defense mechanism that has earned them a reputation as one of the slimiest creatures in the ocean. When threatened by predators or disturbed by potential dangers, hagfish unleash a thick, gelatinous slime from specialized glands along their bodies. This defensive slime serves multiple purposes, acting as both a physical barrier and a chemical deterrent. When expelled into the water, the slime rapidly expands, forming a thick, suffocating cloud that can confuse and clog the gills of predators, and making it difficult for them to breathe or swallow. Spider silk ballooning. Certain species of spiders display a fascinating behavior known as spider silk ballooning, which allows them to travel long distances through the air. This unique method involves spiders releasing a strand of silk into the breeze, which lifts them off the ground and transports them to new areas. The process begins when a spider climbs to an elevated position, such as the top of a plant or a tall structure. Once in position, the spider releases a single strand of silk from its spinnerets into the air. As the silk strand is lifted by air currents, the spider instinctively releases its hold on the substrate, allowing itself to be carried away by the wind. Platypus electroreception. The electroreception of platypuses is truly remarkable. These fascinating creatures, native to Australia, possess a highly developed sense that allows them to detect electrical impulses generated by the muscle contractions of their prey. This electroreceptive ability is particularly useful for platypuses as they primarily hunt underwater, where visibility is limited. Platypuses have specialized receptors located in their bills, known as electroreceptors, which are sensitive to tiny electrical signals produced by the movements of prey, such as shrimp, insects, and small fish. When a platypus detects these electrical impulses, it can accurately locate and capture its prey, even in murky or dark waters where visual cues are scarce. Tardigrades cryptobiosis. Tardigrades, often referred to as water bears or moss piglets, are microscopic animals capable of entering a state of cryptobiosis in response to extreme environmental conditions such as temperatures, pressure, radiation, and desiccation. They essentially shut down their metabolic processes and enter a state of dormancy, reducing their water content to as low as 1% of their normal levels, and can survive for years without food or water, allowing them to endure harsh environments that would be lethal to most other organisms, thus making them one of the most resilient organisms on Earth. Echidna's unique reproductive system. Female echidnas, also known as spiny anteaters, possesses a truly unique reproductive system among mammals. These fascinating creatures native to Australia and New Guinea are monotremes, a small group of mammals that lay eggs instead of giving birth to live young. Echidnas have a reproductive system that includes 2 uteri and 2 vaginas. During mating, the male echidna alternates between mating with each reproductive tract, allowing for the fertilization of multiple eggs. Their unique reproductive system is a testament to the diversity of reproductive strategies found in the animal kingdom. Red-capped manakin moonwalking. The red-capped manakin, a small bird found in the forests of Central and South America, possesses a remarkable and captivating behavior that has earned it fame among bird enthusiasts: moonwalking. This unique display is part of the bird's courtship ritual, where males perform elaborate dances to attract mates. During the courtship display, male red-capped manakins gather in a group known as a lek. Each male takes turns showcasing his agility and prowess in front of potential mates. One of the most impressive moves in their repertoire is the moonwalk, reminiscent of the iconic dance movie popularized by Michael Jackson. Axolotl neoteny. Axolotls, often referred to as Mexican walking fish, unlike most amphibians, which undergo metamorphosis from larval to adult form, axolotls reach sexual maturity while retaining their larval features, such as external gills and a fully aquatic lifestyle throughout their adult lives. Neoteny has also contributed to the popularity of axolotls as pets and research subjects. Their unique appearance and fascinating life history make them a favorite among aquarium enthusiasts and scientists alike. Furthermore, axolotls have regenerative abilities that far surpass those of other vertebrates, allowing them to regrow lost limbs and even parts of their brain and spinal cord. Mourning gecko parthenogenesis. Mourning geckos, scientifically known as Lepidodactylus lugubris, are small reptiles native to Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands. One of the most fascinating aspects of their biology is their ability to reproduce through a process called parthenogenesis. In the case of mourning geckos, females are capable of laying viable eggs without any contribution from a male. These eggs develop into healthy embryos and hatch into offspring that are genetic clones of the mother. Interestingly, mourning geckos are also capable of reproducing sexually when males are present. However, parthenogenesis appears to be the predominant mode of reproduction in populations where females outnumber males, or when males are absent altogether. Naked mole rat eusociality. Naked mole rats. Fascinating rodents native to East Africa exhibit a rare and intriguing social structure known as eusociality. This complex social system is characterized by cooperative care of offspring, reproductive division of labor, and overlapping generations within the colony, similar to that observed in some insect species like ants and bees. In a naked mole rat colony, only one dominant female, known as the queen, reproduces, while the majority of individuals in the colony are non-breeding workers. These workers assist the queen in tasks such as foraging for food, caring for the young, and maintaining the nest. Additionally, there may be one or a few males within the colony whose primary role is to mate with the queen. Red-spotted newt toxic skin secretions. Red-spotted newts, also known as eastern newts, Notophthalmus viridescens, are amphibians found in eastern North America. These charismatic creatures possess a remarkable defense mechanism against predators. Toxic skin secretions. The skin of red-spotted newts contains potent toxins known as tetrodotoxins, which are also found in pufferfish and some other amphibians. These toxins serve as a powerful deterrent against predators, making the newts unpalatable or even deadly to potential attackers. When threatened, red-spotted newts can excrete their toxic skin secretions as a form of chemical defense. The toxins are stored in specialized glands located beneath the skin and are released when the newt feels threatened or harassed. Suriname toad birth. Suriname toads, native to South America, have one of the most unique reproductive strategies among amphibians. Rather than laying eggs and leaving them to develop externally, female Suriname toads carry their fertilized eggs embedded in their back. After mating, the male Suriname toad fertilizes the eggs externally, and the female collects them with her cloacal lips and presses them onto her back, where they embed into her skin. Over time, the skin grows over the eggs, creating a series of pockets that resemble a honeycomb pattern. The incubation period for the eggs can last several weeks to several months, depending on environmental conditions. When the embryos are fully developed, they undergo metamorphosis into tiny toadlets within the safety of their mother's skin pockets. The mother then releases the fully formed toadlets into the water, where they can swim away and begin their independent lives. Vampire bat mutual blood sharing. Vampire bats, iconic creatures of the night found in Central and South America, have a remarkable and unique social behavior known as mutual blood sharing, or reciprocal altruism. Unlike other bats that feed exclusively on fruits, insects, or nectar, vampire bats survive by consuming blood from other animals, typically mammals like cattle, birds, and even humans. When a vampire bat successfully hunts and feeds on blood, it returns to its roost and may regurgitate some of the blood to share with roost mates that were less successful in finding food. Mutual blood sharing among vampire bats serves several important purposes. Firstly, it helps to maintain social cohesion within the colony, as individuals are more likely to share food with close relatives or individuals that have previously shared with them. Secondly, by sharing blood, vampire bats reduce the risk of starvation for colony members during times when food is scarce, ensuring the survival of the group as a whole. Proboscis monkey nosedives. Proboscis monkeys, endemic to the island of Borneo, are renowned for their distinctive large noses and unique behaviors. One particularly fascinating behavior exhibited by these primates is their daring nosedives from trees into rivers. This behavior, known as nosediving or belly flopping, serves multiple purposes for proboscis monkeys. Firstly, it allows them to travel quickly between feeding sites on opposite riverbanks, avoiding potential predators or obstacles on the ground. Secondly, it provides them with a refreshing escape from the heat and humidity of the tropical rainforest, as the cool water offers relief from the sweltering temperatures. Bearded vulture bone dropping. Bearded vultures, also known as lammergeiers, are majestic birds of prey found in mountainous regions across Europe, Africa, and Asia. These striking birds have a unique and fascinating feeding behavior known as bone dropping or bone breaking. Unlike other vultures that primarily feed on carrion, bearded vultures have evolved to specialize in consuming bones, particularly large bones from carcasses. To access the nutritious marrow inside, they employ a remarkable technique, dropping bones from great heights onto rocky surfaces. When a bearded vulture locates a suitable bone, it will carry it to a height of several hundred meters above the ground. With precise aim, the vulture releases the bone, allowing it to plummet towards the rocky terrain below. Upon impact, the bone shatters into smaller fragments, exposing the nutrient-rich marrow within. Sloth bathroom visits. Sloths, renowned for their leisurely pace and arboreal lifestyle, exhibit a rather intriguing behavior when it comes to bathroom visits. Despite spending the majority of their lives high up in the trees, sloths descend from their lofty perches once a week to defecate on the ground. This behavior is thought to help distribute nutrients and maintain a healthy ecosystem within the sloth's habitat. Additionally, by leaving their elevated perches, sloths also provide opportunities for other animals, such as insects and fungi, to interact with their waste, further enhancing the biodiversity of the surrounding environment. By exposing their waste to the elements on the ground, sloths may reduce the risk of bacterial overgrowth in their fur or on their skin, which could lead to infections or other health issues. The diversity of behaviors found in the animal kingdom never fails to inspire wonder and amazement. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these 20 fascinating behaviors and gained a newfound appreciation for the remarkable creatures that share our planet. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating insights into the natural world. Until next time, stay wild.